make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notifications of when we post new videos. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at these rechargeable motion sensor lights, and they are 3 in a pack. You also get 3 charging cables there included. I'll have the link in the description below for these lights available on Amazon. Let's take a look at the box. Here's some of the specs that you get in with these lights. Now they are battery lights. They're rechargeable batteries that are built into the lights themselves. Takes just under 2 hours to charge, and you can pause the specs to see more of them. You can see the different purposes you can use the lights for, so you can have them in a cabinet, on the side of the bed, near the table, side table, and of course in the stairs. And then the other side shows you the basic functions of this light. So you got auto mode, turn off and instant on the switches. So auto mode turns on in the dark when the motion is detected, stays on for about 20 seconds. If there's no activity, it turns off, and of course the other mode, it keeps it on all the time. Here's the lights themselves. So you get 3 in a pack. You can see there you got the switch, so you got auto, off and manual. So it's a slider switch, you can slide it either way. As you can see, if you put in manual, it turns on. Each light has 8 LEDs in there. You can't actually see the LEDs when it's on. This is just because of the camera, you can see it. And the switch allows you to turn it whatever setting you want. You got the sensor in the middle and the LEDs surround it, and it's a diffuser. On the top you've got your micro USB charging cable, and on the back is the way you can attach this to any surface. You've got a 3M sticky metal plate, so you can peel it off, stick it on any surface you want, and then you can stick the light on there, which allows you to remove the light without having to remove any fixings. So it's pretty easy and simple. You can see there is a magnetic fixing, so you stick that anywhere you want, and then the light sticks onto it, and then you can remove the light when you need to charge it and pop it back on. So that's a very good, easy, quick feature to stick these lights on. So what else do you get inside the packaging? So you get the 3 lights, and you get 3 white micro USB charging cables. They're not that long, but of course micro USB charging cables are pretty regularly available. There's no charger. You can just plug this into your normal phone charger or any USB port and they will charge. You also get a manual that shows you the basic information about how to attach this to the surface using the magnetic plate, cleaning beforehand, how the light works, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, I've attached this in the stairs on a side cabinet, and you can see if I turn it on, even in this daylight, it's quite bright. Now of course you can get some flicker because it's LEDs, and you can see the LEDs here because of the camera, but when it's on it's quite bright, and you can't actually see the LEDs unless the power is low, which is an indicator. As you can see, in a gloomy room here, not quite totally dark, but with some light, you can see that this light pretty much illuminates any surface there is. And the camera's not really doing any justice. They are really bright light, guys, and the sensors on them are quite sensitive, so they do turn on when you move across. I'll leave the description below. There'll be a link for these lights. Make sure you comment on this video if you've got any questions, and of course hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button. That really does help, guys. These are some really great, fantastic sensor lights with some multi-purpose uses. Check out the rest of the reviews on Amazon if you don't believe me. I've had them for a good couple of months now, and they are flawless, fantastic set of lights. We'll see you guys in the next tech video.